on an aggravated battery.
How you doing? And thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings. I just want to do an in-truck demo here of the 4-inch round amber LEDs that we're going to start stocking now. You can see here, got some very bright round LED. It's a simple 2-wire, and it just has a nice pre-programmed double flash. And as you can see on the back of a work truck, they're more than sufficient. These lights are not syncable. They're just very quick to wire, power and ground. And as you can see, they are plenty bright in the daylight. Thanks for watching. This is the simple 4-inch round amber flasher that we're going to stock with a clear lens.